Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and everything is totally fine. If you're here for the first time, please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'm pretty much hoping that you guys enjoy the show. Anyways, let's get straight to the meat of the matter. I want to discuss the Jamaica U20. So they are playing a game today versus Police FC. Actually, one of the better teams in the country. I think they're one of the top teams in the country in Trinidad at this present moment. So first of all, I'm going to give you guys a starting 11, so you guys know who's gonna be featured today and what to expect from them. But we want to do a little bit of recap on the game prior to, and the reason why we might see. The reason why there's a totally change, not 100% change, but a change in squad selection for this game coming up. Now, in this previous game, as you guys would have seen the stream on my platform, and also the stream on the Trinidad and Tobago, not the stream, but the highlight reel. But I want to run through the game first. First of all, I thought overall it was a pretty good game for the first outing for the boys. And I think that the boys put in a good shift. Unfortunately, the first 20 minutes of the game was when they were in a bit of shambles, and that's when they conceded the first two goals. Then after that, the balance of play kind of switch in favor of the Reggae Boyz, the young Reggae Boyz. But certainly, I want to look at. Now, what I'm looking at here is that I do believe that there are niggling areas that we need to fix up, and when you saw that in that game, Adrian Reid coming on, that's when the team kind of gained some structure, some balance, and we gained a bit more composure on the ball and retention of possession. No, retention of possession don't necessarily mean to win, but that's something that I like to see. Nevertheless, going forward from here, we're gonna look at what we expect to see in this game. Now, first of all, going up against one of the best teams in Trinidad, we're going up against a Premier League level team, which means that the boys will be playing against big men. Now, yes, it's a national team. I don't expect a win, if I'm being honest. But what I want to see is, I want to see performance. I really want to see performance where that is concerned, and the tactical nuance that John Wall plans to put out. Because it's very, very important, you know, that in a game like this, we're going up against a team that have been playing right through the season together, season behind season back at season. They're well compact together, and the chemistry and everything is there. So I expect them to look a lot better, especially the fact that the boys will be playing against big men. So that's that's what I think. I expect them to look a lot better than the young Reggae Boyz. No, nevertheless, I want to see a team out there who fight, a team out there pushing to make themselves, acquaint themselves where that is concerned. I want to see us looking composed. I want to see us trying to do something. I really want to see that. So the coaching aspect of John Wall now is going to come as a big factor. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter, the starting 11 for the team today. In goal, we have Tywin Lynch, we have Michael Forbes, we have McKay, centre back. So two centre back is actually 4-3-3 the formation is. Right back, Malachi Molina, Christopher Ainsworth actually coming in this time around. Adrian Reid, who is going to captain the side today, and Ronaldo Barrett. So it seems like Adrian Reid is going to be sit at the lone central defensive position. Ronaldo Barrett and Kobe Thomas will be the two attacking, central midfielders, two box to box. I think Kobe is going to play in more of a attacking midfield position, and Ronaldo Barrett more of a box to box position for coverage. And on the wing, on one of the wing we have Dustin Cohen. On the next we have Keanu Jackson. I assume that Cohen will be playing on the left wing, and Keanu Jackson might be on Cohen on the right wing, Keanu Jackson on the left wing. So, and we might see a bit of interchange in there. And Harris will be the one leading the line up for the matchup against Police today. Now, who started in the last game? Barrett started in the last game, Molina started in the last game, McKay and Forbes. So only 4 players in the starting lineup started the last game. Now the question is, why would we see such a big difference in the starting lineup? I think that's more likely, more than likely, because okay, so let me go again. So Mackay started the last game, Molina started the last game, Forbes and Barrett, Kobe Thomas. So it's actually 5 players in the starting lineup now who's going to start again. So the reason for the starting lineup, I do believe that John Wall is looking at other players to see what they have to offer. Now the defense line still remains with the defense line, just change of goalkeeper, Tawin Lynch coming in. So still see Mackay, still see Molina, and Forbes is there as well, just a left back. Last game I think it was Barrett who was actually in the left back position, so Barrett now would come into midfield, and Christopher Ainsworth is actually a natural left back, which is a very good left back, would have gone into his natural position. So in this team now, you see the players now in this team actually playing in their more natural position, which means that we should see a better setup, or a more compact, a more composed team where that's concerned, because they have players now playing in their natural position. So this is going to be a good game to see what John Wall is looking for, or see what John Wall is trying. I do believe though the final game is going to be a bigger impact game. Now, so the thing is now, people, at this moment, if you go into our community tab, you'll see a squad there, and you'll see a PayPal list. The impact, the purpose of that is to help us to see if we can fund to get this game live today again. Yes, we understand that the live wasn't best, but at the end of the day, we still got the opportunity to see the boys playing. So if we can at least do that again, we would like for you guys to send something, even a donation of $5, $10, $2, $3. It doesn't really matter. Once we can do, we can cover the cost to get personnel to go and do the live for us, so we can get the ability to see the game. So the PayPal link, would also drop the PayPal link in the comment section on this video. I'm going to pin it as well, so you guys can help us in offset some of the costs for that. So big up on yourselves, people. Hopefully guys are doing good. My prediction for this game, even though I believe that I don't expect us to win, I still want to see a positive result. So I'm going to say a draw, maybe a 1-1 draw, hopefully. But definitely I would love to see the game, so help us in getting that done. If not, I'm going to have to wait until the highlight reel come out by the Trinidad team. But highlight reel don't really show us much of the game, just show like 5 minutes out of the game, so you don't see much. I love to see what's going to happen in the game moments, so I can make assessment of players better, so you can understand who to look for, what to expect from them as the time progresses. So remember, people, go and check out our community tab, or check in the comment section. You'll see the PayPal link there, and see if you can support us in getting, see if we can facilitate this live. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, and we are out. Boom.